Hello, dear students. Myself, Miss Monica Nandakumar Chaure from Shri Sant Kripa Shikshan Sanstha's College of Pharmacy, D-Pharm, Goga. In today's video, we will see what is meant by coagulants and anticoagulants. In this video, we will see these contents, starting with introduction, then coagulation of blood, then coagulants, that is definition of coagulants. First drug from the category coagulants, that is thrombin. Second drug, it is a menadione. We start with the introduction. What is meant by blood coagulation? Blood clotting is a very important process. It depends on the existence of a complex system of reaction involving plasma proteins, platelets, tissue factors, and calcium ion. Blood clotting involves three important stages, that are thromboplastin formation, conversion of prothrombin to thrombin, conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin. Plasma contains an inhibitor which counteracts the excessive activity of thromboplastin. Thrombin does not exist in normal circulating blood and is formed in its inert precursor prothrombin by activating of thromboplastin. Thrombin splits the fibrinogen molecule into smaller peptides. These smaller peptides unite end to end or side to side to form insoluble strands of fibrin. These fibrins entangle blood cells and platelets to form solid clot. Thus, effective blood coagulation occurs. If any of the factor is missing, it may lead to hemorrhage. Then, definition of coagulants. These are the agents used in the treatment of severe hemorrhage causing coagulation of blood, for example, thrombin. Then, definition of anticoagulants. These are the drugs which delay blood coagulation. They prolong the coagulation time of blood. They are used to prevent thrombosis after operation or from other causes. Then we start with the first category, that is coagulants. First example was thrombin. It is a sterile protein substance prepared from human plasma and it is freeze dried. These are physical properties like color, creamy in color, odorless, tasteless, soluble in saline solution, it having powder, and it is thermolabile in nature. Then these are the uses. It is used as coagulant topically to control minor oozing due to superficial cuts, injuries, orally to prevent gastrointestinal bleedings. In combination with matrix like fibrin or gelatin sponge, it is used to prevent more extensive or inaccessible hemorrhage. It is affected by air, heat and light, hence it is stored in an atmosphere of nitrogen in glass containers which are sealed so as to exclude microorganisms and moisture. The containers are kept at a temperature between 2 degrees centigrade to 8 degrees centigrade and are protected from light. It may contain suitable bactericide. Then we start with second drug, that is menadione. It is a 1,4-naphthaquinine derivative and acts more slowly than vitamin K. It is chemically 1,4-diacetoxynaphthalene. These are physical properties. It occurs in white in color, odorless or slightly odor of acetic acid, having bitter taste and soluble in water and cold alcohol. It is available in crystalline powder. It is used to treat hemorrhage, used to prevent and cure neonatal hemorrhage, to treat vitamin K deficiency, as radiosensitizer to treat cancer. This is stability and storage. It is oxidized by air and affected by light, and hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. It is available in tablet formulation. These are the brand names for. Thank you. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Thank you all of you.